still drip. That's real.
Yeah, but you know she had the baby miscarried, so I had to bless her, you feel me?
That's real.
Hold on. There she go. Go pull that up for me, T. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you when to come on, boy. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey. Yeah, what's up, baby? What's up, baby? Yeah. I'm here. Yeah. What's up? Hey, yo, what's up, Ty? Yeah. Yeah. Say, hey, baby, what's going on? Come here. Now look, I know the miscarriage and all that. I know I probably took a little light loud. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry for not taking it serious as I should.
How many times you gonna say sorry?
Cause I'm just letting you know, baby. Like drill sorry. You feel me?
Okay.
I ain't mean to drop that unsecurity on you. I ain't mean to drop that uncaring on you. I want to let you know I care in this series. I feel how I feel about you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And talking ain't enough. You feel me? Okay. Talking ain't enough. So I just wanna show you.
Say sorry?
Yeah, I call you here to say sorry to let you know. I'm gonna ride with you forever. You feel me? I'm gonna ride with you forever. You feel me?
That?
Turn it off, T.
What is that?
Huh? What is that? That's you.
That's mine?
That's you.
You got me a car.
Yeah.
What did that give me?
Don't hit me like that. Now,
You got me a car.
Yeah, this you.
You got me a car.
Yeah, come on, come check it out.
Look, I'm not playing. Once I drop off, I'm not coming back.
Baby, you ain't got it. You coming back. You got to come back now. But yeah, it's you, babe. It's you. Hold up. Yeah. Hold on. Let me get you. Oh, it's all out. Yeah.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Yeah. Check it out.
Ty, come look at my car.
Come look, Ty. Your man ain't know about you. You'll never get nothing like this. You might as well just look.
Oh my God.
I'm saying, yeah, but live through her though, cause you'll never live like this. Yeah. You're welcome.
You finally did something.
Yeah. You ain't got nobody doing nothing for you though.
That's cool.
Yeah, but
Congratulations.
Oh my God.
He owe you that.
The least he can do.
Yeah.
Plus more.
Oh my God.
You like that? Baby, this you.
Love it.
Yeah. So you ride around, you let her know what it is. You feel me? Yeah. Come on. Let me show you the back. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, this trunk. This trunk right here. You feel me? This is trunk. You know what I'm saying? The button. Pop that. You know what I'm saying? Da. Like, I don't know how to work it like that, but you know, this you. This yours.
I got time to figure it out.
Yeah, man. God, you ain't proud for your girl? You ain't gonna take a picture of her nothing? You ain't gonna take a picture of her nothing? God, take a picture for us, bro. Come on, don't cry, baby. Don't cry. You know what I'm saying? Yo, baby, don't cry.
Make sure you wipe her eyes.
Yeah. So I'm sorry that the baby left and all that, baby. But hey, I bought you a baby to tell you I'm sorry about that. You feel me? And I'm here.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. Don't care what they say about drill. We gonna ride together. You feel me? Yeah. I'm sorry. You'll get one day. You got
Okay, Drip, whatever.
Yeah. You got. I'm saying, Ty.
Leave my friend alone. Thank you, baby.
Congratulations.
My boy. Yeah, do your thing though. Ride off, peel off though. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, hold up. I'm gonna get this bow out for you since it's new. Let me get this bow out for you. Yeah.
Don't throw that bow away. I like that.
I got you, baby. Ride off. Let me see you ride off. Yeah. Don't hit that car, cause her car ain't got insurance. Yeah, peel off. Hey, what? Yeah. Pick it up. I don't hear it. Brand new. My boy. You feel me? Yeah. That's how you do it, boy. You keep hustling, you know what I'm saying? You get your girl out of old school, you feel me? Yeah, keep hustling, see? Yeah, just like that. Yo, drip! Ball it. Yeah.